January 7, 2025. Bird's Eye Garlic Antioxidant Blend, 5 bags. Barcode, product details, more details, barcode, instructions on how to microwave. So it's about 5 minutes. You have bags like this. Then you microwave it for 5 minutes. You microwave it like this. And I'm emptying the content here. This is what you get when you microwave. Emptying this. This is content of 1 bag. Pictures like this, real product in the end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Again, frozen bag, and then end. Bird's Eye vegetables, calories.